If you've ever searched on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, you know the truth. The demand for website design is absolutely massive. People are regularly charging between $150 and $300 per project just for basic AI-built websites. Imagine consistently bringing in an extra $1,000 a month just by taking on 5 small website projects. That's the potential here. But here's the old problem. Building a professional website, one that clients will actually pay for, used to be a massive time sink. You needed to know code, struggle with complex layouts, and spend hours setting up things like lead capture and integrations. It was a craft, not a fast service. The solution? Ready AI. This is the tool that transforms website creation from a time-consuming craft into a high-leverage service. It literally builds entire professional websites for you in minutes. I used it last month to create a complete affiliate website that boosted my new customer growth by over 300%. And today, I'll show you exactly how to use Ready AI to build a professional site from scratch, complete the delivery process, and start making money in the fastest way possible. Before we build a site for a client, let me show you the level of professional deliverable Ready produces. This is the affiliate website Ready built for me. It's a fully functional site complete with product review pages, a blog section, contact forms, and automated lead capture. This is the quality you can deliver to a client. The essential business functionality is built in. When a visitor lands, they can read affiliate content, click links, book a call, or fill out a form, and all of that activity is tracked automatically inside Ready. This is crucial for any successful online business. I used to spend years building complex systems to capture leads, but Ready handles all of it automatically. Look inside the dashboard. This centralized management system lets me view all my leads, appointments, and messages in one place. This allows me, or your client, to focus on content instead of managing data. And remember, this entire professional system was built in under 5 minutes. Now, let's build one. Let's imagine a client on Upwork just requested a 5-page affiliate site that needs to look modern and professional. Step 1. Start the project. Inside the Ready dashboard, I hit Create New Project. I'll name this one Client Delivery Project. You can start with dozens of professional templates, but I'll start with a blank layout to truly show you the power of the AI. Step 2. Describe the goal. This is where the magic happens. I don't write code, I write a request. The prompt is, create a 5-page affiliate website with product reviews, a blog, and a contact form. Then I hit Generate. Step 3. AI Design. In just a few minutes, Ready's AI designs the full professional website for me. It builds the navigation, the hero sections, calls to action, and even fills in placeholder content that matches my description. It handles all the structural complexity. The result is clean, modern, fully responsive on desktop and mobile, and the forms work right out of the box, no coding needed at all. This is zero-effort next-generation polish. Now we customize it to fit the client's brand. This is where Ready shines as a true creative partner. The client loves the site but wants a specific hover animation on the main Get Started button. I click it, type a short command, add hover highlight with gradient color. Within seconds, Ready updates every button across the entire site automatically. You simply tell the site what you want, and it handles the code. The client needs a comparison table, a complex component added to the homepage. I don't drag and drop elements. I just type, insert a 3-column product comparison table below the main hero section. Instantly, Ready generates a perfectly styled responsive table. This simple command bypasses hours of manual component design. I can also generate a custom hero video for the homepage. I click Continue to Generate. Ready adds the section, and I replace the placeholder with the client's promo clip. Ready also includes a powerful feature called the Selector. It lets you fine-tune every visual element, layout, text, images, color. while the AI manages all the technical setup in the background. Every element is fully customizable, ensuring the client's brand identity is never compromised for speed. The site is designed and polished. The final step before delivery is integration. Ready connects seamlessly with essential business tools like Stripe, Calendly, MailChimp, and Google Analytics. This instantly professionalizes the new website. Here I'm connecting MailChimp, so every new subscriber from the client's website automatically gets added to their email list. All your leads and appointments appear right inside Ready's backend. This is the true power of an integrated platform. Everything runs on autopilot. In less than an hour, we fulfilled a high-value freelance request and delivered a fully functional, integrated, and professional website. You can now deliver a professional website to a client for $200 or more in under an hour. The efficiency Ready provides completely changes the game for freelancers. Not only can you build your own successful affiliate websites to earn commissions, but you can also use this system to create profitable websites for others and establish a powerful side hustle. If you want to access Ready AI and start building and delivering websites this week, I've put a link in the description below. Click that link and let me know in the comments what kind of website you're going to build first.